Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and it's time for us to do our Free It Friday. And today we have something a little bit different. It's not die cast, but it is still kind of like a scale model of a very popular car, and that is this guy here, Ecto-1. And just guessing by the size of it, I'm going to say it's probably around like I don't know, maybe 150 scale, 148 scale, something like that. It's not 143rd. It's a little bit short for 143rd, but I don't know. I guess if you were going to find the closest scale that they make models of on a regular basis, I would say 143rd, but it's a little bit small for that. And I picked this up at Walmart. This is a Bluetooth speaker. I've always wanted to get one of these little mobile speakers to take with me, like, well, really not even take with me, but whenever I'm doing stuff around the house and I want to listen to music, turn it on through my phone, and have something a little bit louder than the speaker of my phone. Although the one that I have has a decent speaker, the Samsung, but it could be a little bit better, and this is it right here. This thing sounds fabulous. Could use a little more bass, but considering the size of it, it's not bad at all. These are called Bitty Boomers, and as I said, they're at Walmart. They're in the entertainment like section, I guess I would call it the electronic section, but where all the DVDs, well, what DVDs are left, and video games and stuff like that. There's sometimes like collectible toys over there, and it's in mine, it's in a separate aisle than the action figures. The action figures are together in the entertainment section, like the Predator figures we have, and then the next aisle over has like movies and then movie posters and other memorabilia of certain movies that are like trending. So right now they have Ghostbuster stuff because of the Ghostbusters 2, well, now I'd say Ghostbusters, what is it, would be like Ghostbusters 4, the Frost something. I seen the movie, it's actually pretty good, but I can't recall the name of it. Anyways, they have a lot of Ghostbusters memorabilia, and they have a lot of Deadpool memorabilia. They actually have a little Deadpool figure that is one of these Bluetooth speakers too. So we're going to take this out and show you guys the details of it and other things, how to pair it with your device. So this is the wire that they give you to recharge it, with the mini USB end, which plugs into the car, and the regular USB, which would plug into your cell phone, like 120 volt adapter thing that goes into your regular outlet, or I guess you could charge it through your computer also if you wanted to. Here's a set of directions they give you, but it's pretty simplified. I don't know why it's so big, but yeah, it's pretty simple to do this, and I'll show you how here in a moment. So taking it out, as you can see, not a lot of detail on the chassis at all. And one thing I was disappointed in, and they could have done this actually, is had rollable wheels, but it doesn't have that. But overall, the car looks pretty good. They could have done better with like some details in the back and on the front too. They have the plate, but they could have done something with the grill and bumpers. The reason I say that, I know it's just a mini speaker and they're not going for like details of like a scale model, but these things are $34, I think it was 24 or 34, I can't remember. They are quite pricey, but for the sound quality, it's kind of worth it, put it that way. I can't justify it, but I thought it was just so cool I had to get one. That's kind of like why I ended up with like the dancing Nika gizmo from Gremlins, and that's how I got on the kick of collecting Predator figures, because of going to the entertainment section at Walmart and seeing these things, and it's like, oh, that's so cool, and then you grab it, and then when you go to pay for it, it's like, oh my god, I can't believe how much it is. Some stuff I put back, but this one I didn't. I didn't even pay attention to what it scanned up as, but I'm pretty sure it was like $34.96. So here is your speaker cover on the top. And another thing that's lacking is the rack with all the gizmos and things like that that the Ecto-1 has, but that's because that's where your speaker sound comes from. And it's made out of a plastic, but it has like a rubberized fill over the plastic. I guess that is like a sound deadener to keep from having vibration sounds on the plastic and such. So that's the only thing I can think of. But everything feels kind of like it's got a coating on it, like a rubberized coating. So, anyways, on the tailgate, this is where your USB, mini USB goes in to plug it. You just slide it in like that, and then you should have one of these guys from your smartphone, and it just plugs right in, and then you can plug it right in the wall or plug it into your computer if you want to. So the button here on the tailgate, this is your power button. And it beeps like that to let you know that it is on. And I'm going to use our cheaper phone here to pair it with. So you kind of just bring down your menu and go to your Bluetooth. You can turn it on. And it's connecting. I've already paired this. Well, let me try. I got to do my. All right. So, anyways, let me go back and turn that on. I had to do my security code. I forgot that I had that. Okay. So, right here, and it tells you what the battery life is in your Bitty Boomer. Mine's at 40%. It was on 75% yesterday, but we listened to quite a bit of music with it. So basically, you have your settings thing here. You could use disconnect, forget, and stuff. And we'll just do forget device. And then we're going to do pair a new device. So then you can see. And then all of our stuff comes up here. And then what you want to do is just click on your Bitty Boomer, and it says pairing, and then it asks if you want to allow, and you just push pair, and it beeps to let you know that it has recognized your phone or device. And then from there you can just go to any website. We'll do YouTube, and we'll go ahead and do the Ghostbusters song. What's more fitting than that for this thing? And this phone here is the one that Ethan uses, and it's like super, super slow. Yeah, we got a connection, so there we go. It's about time. So, anyways, here's the Ghostbusters song. And the volume on the Bitty Boomer goes with the volume on your device. There's no way to select volume on the Bitty Boomer. But as you can see, sounds pretty decent for a little guy. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you that. They're pretty cool. And you can find them at Walmart in your entertainment electronics section of the store. We'll be back again on Monday for our usual Mopar Monday. I don't think I'll be back over the weekend. We have a lot going on this weekend, but we will be back on Monday. Our video may not be uploaded until the evening, so you may not see the Mopar Monday video till Tuesday. That's when you may get the notification. But we will make one for you. We just have a busy week coming up next week. So, but we'll still get some videos out for you guys. Thanks for watching and enjoy. your holiday weekend.